10 signs you're on the right track to being a millionaire. At this time everyone want to be successful and earn a lot of money, but no one know how will it be possible. If you think that you can also be the one, then see the signs to be a millionaire. Getting rich and becoming a millionaire may seem like a fantasy, but it's not so far-fetched. There are a lot of key habits that millionaires have that attribute to their success. We did a little research on how millionaires live their everyday lives and compiled a list for you. Here are 10 signs you're going to be a millionaire, even if you don't feel like you are. Number 1. You always shoot for the moon. You know how the saying goes, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land amongst the stars. If you're the type of person to strive for an A when you only need a B to pass the class, you have the mindset of a millionaire. On a mission to become rich, shoot for $10 million, not $1 million. Continue to think big. Number 2. You maintain an open mind. You are not afraid of new ideas and know that closed minds do not inspire faith, courage, belief, and active imagination. Successful millionaires change their psychological approach to money, success, and happiness. Number 3. You use your time to harness effective results. You understand that time is more valuable than money itself. You are more likely to hire people for things that you are not good at so you can use your time on things that you excel in. Financially successful people are consumed by their hunt for success and work to the point that they feel they are winning and not just working. Number 4. You enjoy setting and reaching goals. If you're a chronic goal setter, you think like a millionaire. Peter Voogd, founder of the Game Changers Academy, who made his first million before turning 26, once said, "You don't make a million by accident. If it's not a goal, you sure as hell won't hit it." Number 5. You remain optimistic in the face of adversity. There are plenty of millionaires who have lived the from rags to riches narrative, including author J.K. Rowling. She was a single mother on state benefits and attributes her achievements to her ability to focus all her attention on the things that mattered to her the most. Rich people believe, I create my life. Poor people believe, life happens to me. Number 6. You are aware of what's going on in the world. If you are the type of person to start your morning off catching up on current events rather than the happenings on social media, you possess a habit of a millionaire. Entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett start their day off with news publications such as the Wall Street Journal and the New York Times. Number 7. Being poor makes no sense. You eliminate any and all excuses that being poor is justifiable. Bill Gates once said, "If you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is your mistake." Number 8. You work with or seek a successful mentor. You understand that it is important not to limit yourself to ideas of unsuccessful people. You study what millionaires do and consider a mentor to be a vital resource to your success. 68% of the 400 Americans on the Forbes 2013 billionaires list are considered self-made billionaires, meaning they did not inherit their fortune. Chances are, a lot of them had mentors to help them think outside of any possible limited thought processes. Number 9. Avoid debt that doesn't pay you. Make it a rule that you never use debt that won't make you money. If you borrow money for a car, it should be guaranteed to increase your income. While the rich use debt to leverage investments in order to grow cash flows, the poor use debt to buy things that make rich people richer. Number 10. You save to invest. You understand that the only reason to save money is to invest it. Put your saved money into secured and untouchable accounts. Never use these accounts for anything, not even an emergency. This will force you to continue to increase your income. You believe in investing your surpluses into ventures that you cannot access. I hope you like the video. To watch more videos like this, do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Be healthy and wealthy.